Hello, welcome to um, Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, yung Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Lalo na po yung heart ninyo. Smileys, mga comment ninyo tungkol sa kung nakarelate ba kayo sa reading. Sobra pong na-appreciate ko yan. Maraming salamat po. Start na po natin ng reading. Kung gusto niyo magpa-palm reading mula sa akin, mag-avail lang po kayo sa aking TikTok shop nung mga crystals, bracelets, at may free reading po iyon. Okay, let's start. Water sign. Okay, main energy, you do have here the Ace of Wands. Okay. Ten of Wands. Oh, wow. Why? Ten of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the World. So, nakikita natin dito na something here already ended. Maybe a situation, connection sa someone. Pero, I feel like there's this person, no, na pwedeng dito sa connection ninyo. Maybe for some of you, para sa'yo nag-end na. Para sa'yo tapos na. Para sa'yo wala na. Okay? And this person is actually hindi pa siya ready na i-accept yung changes na yon. This person until now wala siyang kapagod-pagod eh. Until now, nag-expect pa rin itong person na ito sa'yo. This person, hindi kanya kayang i-let go basta-basta. Sobrang meaningful mo para sa kanya. And then, itong person na ito, I feel like, hindi ako nakakita ng stability sa kanya. So, for now, isa ito sa nagiging problem. Hindi siya stable. I feel like, I don't know, some of you pwede nagkaroon ka ng mga abuse nung kabataan mo. So, maybe sexual abuse. I don't know. This could be a reading. Sign lang yun. May pinakita sa akin. But anyway, yung person na ito, hindi niya kayang basta-basta ka na lang i-let go or i-brush off sa buhay niya. Yung basta na lang paalisin or umalis sa buhay mo. Like, until now, yung person na ito holding on. No? Pero ikaw, maybe naiintindihan mo kung ano yung sitwasyon ninyo. Nagfo-focus ka sa mga new beginnings, new person, or maybe kung ano man yung mga new beginnings sa buhay mo, career, etc. Nandito yung focus mo. Wala ka munang pakialam dito sa past. Wala ka munang pakialam dito sa mga nangyayari with the past person. Tell me more. Yeah, you do have here the Strength card, the 4 of Coins, and the 2 of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Leo energy. Nakita ko dito ng person na medyo na-apektuhan yung kanyang finances ngayon. Hindi siya makaipon. I don't know. I feel like that is not you. Pwedeng yung person mo yon. Pwedeng nagkakaproblema regarding money, nagwawalda sa maraming pera, or that could be you too. Pwedeng ikaw yon, pero high chance na that is your person. I can see paggastos. Pwedeng may mga deductions or may mga tinatanggal. Nakakita tayo ng mga kautangan. So, pwedeng gumagastos pati nakakapag-utang, credit cards, etc. And Anyway, yung person na ito, nakikita natin na parang tinatry niyang kontrolin ang kanyang emotions or maybe yung communication. Pwedeng wala masyadong communication sa inyo kasi kinokontrol niya din ang sarili niya, or this could be you na hindi ka masyadong nakikipag-communicate sa person na ito. Tell me about the situation. Spirit guides, angel guides, sitwasyon. Ni water sign, spirit guides, angel guides. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, situation ni water sign. Okay, situation ni water sign, spirit guides, angel guides. You do have your cleansing. Yeah, you're trying to remove or clear kung ano man yung mga meron in the past na hindi naging maganda, or maybe for now you are really focusing sa new beginnings. Kaya nga pagdating doon sa past person, maybe you see it as a negative connection. So, you know, ikaw ito, you're cutting off. You do have your drastic, extreme harsh cut off. So, tinatry mo i-cut off itong person na ito. Okay? Maybe you see this person as a trash. Yeah, you're discarding or throwing out. Maybe may mga music pa rin na nakakapagpaalala sa'yo dito sa person na ito. Pero wala kina-cut off mo na. Okay? You do have alien. So, yeah. Pwedeng may mga tugtog or music pa rin na nakakapagpaalala sa'yo dito sa person na to, pero tinatry mo na lang siyang i-cut off na lang, and you're focusing on your dreams. So kung yung mga panaginip mo may kinalaman sa mga fish, you know, maybe in the past napapanaginipan mo tong person na to, pero ngayon whatever you're dreaming, pwedeng yun kasi yung mga bagay na minamanifest mo. High chance na yun na may kinalaman sa money. You know, you don't care about the past person, or anyway, you're just cutting off. How about itong person na ito? How about itong person na ito? How about yung person na kakonect mo? I'm seeing family, so pwede nakakoncentrate itong person ito sa kanyang family. Okay, there's an unexplainable pull. So, parang may humihila dito sa person na ito pabalik sa'yo. Hindi niya maintindihan eh. The Archangel Michael is here. So, I feel like may special connection sa inyo. Like, yung kanyang mga angel guides and spirit guides are talagang nakakoncentrate pa rin doon sa soul connection ninyo. And talaga, I think that this is your soulmate. Nakikitaan natin na soulmate energy yan. And then, yung universe mismo ang nagtutulong dito sa person na ito, or sila yung nagbibigay dito sa person na ito na hindi, bumalik ka dito sa person na ito because maybe in the past, siya yung lumayo sa'yo, or napunta siya sa ibang direction, ibang tao. Yeah, you do have here crickets. So, yung person na ito, there's disconnection sa inyong dalawa. But that doesn't mean na wala na yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, kasi with the desire, there's a lot of love, a lot of passion na nararamdaman pa rin itong person na ito. Hindi niya mapipigilan yun. Hindi niya kayang pigilan yun. Hindi niya maintindihan kung bakit hindi niya kayang pigilan yun. Okay? Until now, you are on his or her mind. Hindi niya maintindihan kung bakit. Gustuhin man niyang i-cut off ka lang rin, or i-cut off ka na rin because of family, or whatever this situation ng person na ito, tinatry niya rin namang i-cut off ka pero hindi niya kaya. But you, I don't know, I feel like nilet go mo na itong person na ito. Part of you, hindi pa rin makapag-let go, guys. Part of you, pwedeng iniisip mo lang na nililet go mo na siya, pero part of you, hindi pa rin makapag-let go dito. I want to know the future. Ibang card yung gagamitin ko. For water sign. Anyway, I feel like hindi nagkakaroon ng pagle-level up ang connection ninyo. Nakakita ko ng friend zone kind of energy. Anyway, what is happening in the near future for water sign? Or what will happen? You do have your I worry about us a lot. Number 7, I have so much desire for you. Words do hurt, and please give me time. I've never felt this way before. You do have your sex. I left because you told me to. I think we should see each other people, or we see other people. This love scares me, and I want to get you drunk. In the near future, there's this advice or guardian for you. Yeah, it's like, or advice or warning. Sabi nating warning. Someone here in the future ang talagang gusto sa'yo, and I feel like this is a different person, guys. Mag-ingat ka sa mga dinedate mo if you're single. Mag-ingat ka sa mga kinikita mo. Because I can see that this person just wants you sexually. Okay? I worry about us a lot, and this is like an energy of worrying. Kailangan mong mangamba sa mga taong nakikita mo or first time mo palang makita, because I can see that this person might hurt you, pwedeng masaktan ka, because yeah, you do have here a sign. I think we should see other people. So, ito yung sign na parang in the future, kailangan mong, kumbaga kung may kakonect ka na ngayon, and if you're single, may kakonect ka ngayong bago, maybe this is not yet the one for you. Kailangan mong maghanap pa ng iba, or makipag-connect pa sa iba. Because this person is may potential na masaktan ka lang sa kanya. I can see an energy of, maybe napilitan ka lang makipag-connect sa taong ito, because someone told you. But, yeah, this love scares me. You have to be careful. Kasi pwedeng, you do have your, I want to get you drunk. So, kailangan walang talaga mag-ingat. Kasi, pwedeng gamitin ka lang nitong person na kakonect mo in the near future. Yung iba, pwedeng kakonect mo na siya ngayon. And yung bottom of the deck is, think before you act. Kung may nararamdaman ka na false or a false alarm or red flags dito sa taong to, you are right. Tama ka dyan sa nararamdaman mo. Or in the near future, pag may nakakonect ka, tas parang pakiramdam mo, parang ayoko magtiwala sa taong to, tama ka rin ulit. You are right. You do have here sex with you. So, pwedeng a person na to just wants you for sex. For his or her fantasies. Ayan. Seek professional advice. O, diba? Kailangan mo talagang magtanong, makaramdam. Kung hindi mo maramdaman, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, tanong mo, ano pakiramdam mo dun sa person na ka-date ko, kausap ko sa online, ano pakiramdam mo? Because might be yung mga sasabihin nila sa'yo, advice nila sa'yo, is importante. Makinig ka sa kanila. And you do have here, listen to your heart. Yan, listen to your heart. Maybe there's someone in your heart, or you feel like nasasaktan dahil sa connection ninyo. You feel like this person still loves you. Yeah, you are my everything. Maaaring tama ka doon. This person still thinks of you. And sobrang nasasaktan tong taong to. So, might be yung iba sa inyo napipilitan ko kumonek sa bago because you feel like tama na, nag-end na yung connection ninyo. Actually, this person cannot let you go. Hindi ka pa rin niya ma-let go. And if ever you will try na makipag-connect sa bago, ingatan mo ang sarili mo because I can see a potential of a person na gagamitin ka lang para sa mga kagustuhan niya sexually. So, mag-ingat kang mabuti. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.